Hey everybody, I am just waiting for my Irish stew. We have to let that simmer for about an hour and a half. So in the meantime, I thought I would show you how to make hard-boiled eggs with your Instapot. Now, if you wanted to watch the Irish stew video, you can find that up here or down there or somewhere. The Instapot is a great little appliance. Some people say it's life-changing how much time it saves them because of the various things that you can make in this. But for me, I eat a lot of hard-boiled eggs, and I have a problem of putting the eggs in the water and then walking off and forgetting that I had eggs in the pot to boil. So it's perfect for absent-minded people like me, and it's consistent, which is really important when you're cooking eggs, to have a consistent outcome if you make them a lot. So first, we need this little attachment right here. That's what you're going to put the eggs on top of. And then we need to add 1 cup of water. There we go. And you're going to take your eggs and just kind of arrange them in here like this. There we go. Now it doesn't matter if they're touching each other. In fact, I've done as many as 24 eggs at once. Just pile them all in there. You can do 1 egg, you can do 24, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna put the lid on. Make sure it's locked. Make sure the little steam guy is in the right position there. And then we're going to choose pressure cook, low pressure. And we're gonna put this for 7 minutes. Take that off. All right, we are done. So now at this point you can decide how cooked you want the eggs. If you like your eggs to be cooked firmly, what you would do is not release the steam. Let it release the pressure naturally. If you're like me and you like your eggs a little bit soft on the inside, let the steam out. Wait until the little red thing goes down on its own. Like that. Okay. And then open that up. Careful of the steam. And then you want to use some tongs to get them out of there, because they're going to be a little bit hot at this point. Duh. Now, some of them will look like they've cracked open already, but that's okay. Once they cool off, they'll shrink down a little bit. That'll be no problem at all. And that's it. That's making hard-boiled eggs with your Instapot. Hope you're all staying healthy and happy, and I'll see you next time.